Hello everyone, this is Andy from Let Your Petrolhead. One of the worst things you can do if you've ever owned a Tesla is to work out, if you had not bought the car and bought Tesla stock, how much it would be worth or how much you would be worth. For me, it's sickening because I bought the car back in 2018. Then I sold it and took a loss. So yeah, should have probably bought the shares, but I didn't. You can't enjoy the shares. However, I've realised that there's a lot of people who are not aware how easy it is to actually invest in companies like Tesla. Now, this is not a sponsored video or anything, but I'm going to just give you a little bit of advice. Now, this is not financial advice. So if you put money into Tesla and Tesla completely tanks and you lose everything and you have zero come back on me, I am not giving you advice either way. But I'll tell you what I do. I use an app called Freetrade. It is not something that I'm paid to do. However, if you were to sign up and use my link in the description, you get a free share and so do I. And I'll be very grateful for that. So the idea with sort of free trade compared to how buying stocks and shares maybe say 10 years ago is you sign up to the app, you put about 30 quid in just to sort of get your account going. If you want to invest in American shares, then you have to fill in a couple of online forms. But other than that, it's all very straightforward. You just go on and every day you can see what the share price is and you can choose to buy or you can choose to sell. It's all very straightforward now. And you can do the same with lots of other brands. With Freetrade, there's a plus version which you've got to pay for to get access to even more companies. So there's a question mark over whether that's going to be right for you or not. But having sort of spent a lot of time looking into the app and the business behind it, and I know a couple of other friends who have been investors using Freetrade longer than I have, it seems to be one of the more straightforward ones. And whenever I talk about sort of products on this channel, whether or not there's like an affiliate link or any way of me being able to benefit from sort of recommending them, I will always recommend the ones I actually use, and it'll be a company that I'm sort of sure is going to look after you. So yeah, if you're in the UK, Freetrade's your best one. If you're in America, then maybe Webull, that seems to be one of the ones a lot of the Americans talk about. I'm not quite sure about mainland Europe. So yeah, comment below if you know of a good option for that. But yeah, that is it's as simple as that. You can invest in Tesla literally very quickly. So as I said, if you want to get a free share, there's my link in the description. If you don't want to get a free share, then just search in the App Store and get Freetrade and just go ahead. But yeah, please, 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 I see investing in stocks and shares on an individual level like this a little bit like betting. So only put in what you can afford to lose, and I'll do another video in the future if there's an interest, and I'll talk about my personal views on Tesla as a company and whether I think they're going to keep going up, because if you look at the last year, it's just gone crazy. But is that because people are now seeing that Tesla and other electric car companies are, a really viable thing for the future? I think so. But again, this is not financial advice. Just if you want to invest and it's, want to chuck a bit of money in that you're happy to lose, I think Freetrade's a great app. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this. Is this something you sort of a subtopic of the EV world you'll be interested in hearing more about? My email address is there as well if you wanted to ask me anything you didn't want to do it publicly. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you on another video very soon. Thanks. Bye.